How many boxes is too many boxes? We all like nice boxes. They come in so handy when we want to ship things or when we want to give a gift, but we might have too many boxes, including myself. I store mine under the basement steps, and once in a while I notice they've gotten out of hand. So has your box collection gotten out of hand? One thing you can do to save space besides getting rid of boxes is to break them down and store them flat. Take up a lot less space. Otherwise, find out or be realistic about the number of boxes that you need in your life and start making decisions. Flatten the ones you've decided not to keep. Take a box cutter, scissors, flatten them, tape them together, tie them together, and take them out to your curb on recycling day. It's as simple as that. You probably didn't even notice that you've got a large assortment of boxes taking up precious storage space. So this is your chance to let some of those go. You can do it. Thank you for watching. I'm Jill Annis, the owner of Simply Organized, your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on tips that will help you organize and declutter. Thanks again. See you next time.